Stupid. Stop! Stupid! QT, come here!
Yeah, Davis, what's the matter?
This fridge is disgusting. I want it clean now. You hear me? Right now!
Sure, boss. I'll get on it right away. I'll take care of it.
You better!
Hystereo! Get over here!
Yes, QT, what is it?
This refrigerator's disgusting.
Oh, I know, it's terrible.
I want it clean now. Right now!
But it's not my turn.
It is now.
But, oh,
Right now, do it!
okay. Oh, this is totally unfair. How come I have to clean the refrigerator again? Oh, look, I'm on the list every day this week. This is so unfair. This refrigerator should be towed away. What was that? Looks like the tuna fish sandwich just winked at me. I think that pizza place has been closed for 3 years. What?
What are you looking at?
Nothing.
You're not gonna try to throw me away, are you, bub? I don't think so. Close the door.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, we need more mayo.
Okay.